Okay, look at these clouds. These clouds, we better pray. The church bells are ringing, and these clouds, okay, this is how you can tell that these are not real clouds, okay? They see all these little tendrils shooting off of these clouds. These are not real clouds. And this right here, okay, they're spraying the entire earth. And look at this one here, the color of this. The one to the left right here, gray. It's a gray, something weird cloud, okay? And they're just so bizarre. And this is how you can tell if they're not real clouds. I've been taking videos of clouds for ages now. And if they have holes inside, these are new, the things with holes. Okay, and then look at this one, spreading out, and the thing behind it. See how it's spreading out? It has these tendrils. This is how you know these are not real clouds. This is something else from the chemtrail emissions. See all of this, look at that. And then this gray thing right here. Anyway, special celebrations for Easter in this town. Lots of people coming, and it's a very special day. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Everything's so bizarre. Okay, God bless. Bye for now. Beautiful landscape though, isn't it? Okay, God bless, bye.